Discord is an app that lets you communicate with people from all over the world. In this video, we will show you how you can delete your Discord account permanently. Tap on the app icon to open it. You will see the home screen of the app. Here, tap on the icon at the bottom of the screen. You will see different setting of the app and your account that you can adjust. Tap on Account to view the settings related to your Discord account. You will see this screen in front of you. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu. Tap on Delete Account. You will receive a pop-up asking you for a final confirmation before deleting your Discord account. You are required to enter the password of your account so that Discord can confirm that it's you. Type your password in the blank space and tap on Delete. Your account will be scheduled for deletion. You will see this screen next time you open the app. In case you want to get your account back, you can restore it. Your account will stay in this state for 14 days. Tap on I am sure if you are sure you want to delete your account. Also, if you have the ownership to a server on Discord, you must first delete the server before you can delete the account.